And a new study suggests that masks and social distancing are still needed even with vaccinations. New research shows that even with the majority of the population vaccinated, stopping these precautions could lead to an increase in cases. Researchers did a simulated study and found coronavirus infections, hospitalizations, and deaths would rise if school closures, social distancing, and mask wearing precautions were lifted while the vaccines were being rolled out. However, the CDC says it is safe for fully vaccinated people to go maskless in most social situations.